Hi guys, so today I'll be showing you how you can make money with your Telegram channel. So if you don't have Telegram, go to your Play Store or your Apple Store to download Telegram. So when you download the Telegram, there's a link on my description. Click the link. It's going to bring you into this interface. So click on send message. When you click on that send message, this will come out. All right, see what is written here. What can these bots do? Earn Tron token TRS by visiting websites or links, joining Telegram channels or group, joining other Telegram bots. All right, so this is what this page is all about. So click on get started. So when you click on get started, this will come and say welcome to Clickbee bots. All right, so what can you do? Visit sites to earn money, join channels, join bots, and then more. All of them are here. So what these are things you will do to start making money. So all right, so first we are going to be clicking on visit sites so that we'll know how it works. All right, so you can see visit sites, join channel, join bots, more, balance, referrals, info, and adverts, so many of them. So click on visit sites. When you click on visit sites, it's going to come out. The site you're going to click visit will come out. So click on open link. When you click on that open link, let's wait for it to open. All right, click on open link. The link will open. Click on open. So when the link open, you are going to wait for some times, okay, and then come back and you see congratulations, you've earned this CRS, okay. Then click just continue clicking on visit channel and then keep doing what they ask you to do. All right, and the more you click on it, the more you earn, okay. The more you click, the more you earn. So see the ones I've done and see all my earnings. You can see as I scroll up, you can see my earnings, visit site, join channel, and all that. Okay, so let me do some more for you guys. Let me do more. Okay, let me click on visit site again so that you can see it is so easy for you to do. Visit site and then open the link, come back, and you gain your distance. So when you click on visitor and this tax has finished, it's going to show you that the tax has finished. All right, you go to join channel and start doing that one. Click on join channel, it's going to come out. Click on join. All right, when you click on join, when you have joined the channel, you are going to go back again to the site and you see click on joined and you will receive your reward for joining the channel. You will receive your reward. So continue doing that. All right, let's do more. Click on join channel. It's going to bring you here, and then when you have joined, go back, click on joined, and then receive your reward. All right, let's keep doing. Let's do more. Join channel. Click on join the channel. That is going to bring you into the channel it wants you to join. Then click on joined, and then when you click on join, go back and then claim your reward. All right, so this is basically what you'll be doing on this Telegram group, and you keep getting your rewards. All right, let's do more. When you are done with joining all the channels, you then go over to join both. All right, when you are done with joining all the channels, you then go back to join both and also continue doing that until the tax for the day is done. The next day you'll come back and also do the same thing. Now my channel tax is done. I'm going to go click on back and then it's going to bring back. I'm going to start with join bots. All right, so I'll continue doing that until I'm done with that day's tax. Then the next day, or I will still come back again when there is a new tax. That's how I will keep doing it. I'll keep bringing my earning, keep getting my earnings. All right, I'll keep doing it, keep getting my earnings. Okay, join both is going to bring out what you do, and then when you click on it, just be following the instruction. They'll be giving you instruction to follow. Make sure you are following the instruction. All right, if you still need more explanation, just type in my comment section. I'm going to explain more to you. All right, this is very simple. I have a link on my bio that you can click and join my Telegram group and ask me more questions about it. Okay, and the link to this website will be on the description. Make sure you click the link from the description to join and start making this Telegram money. Don't miss it. Start making this Telegram money right now. Okay, so let's keep going and keep doing what they ask us to do. All right, make sure you follow on the instruction. If you don't understand anything, ask me question. I'm always here to answer your question. Okay, so now we are doing join bots. Join bots, that's what we are doing. So when you have joined, finish joining the bots, you'll come back, you click on get started. All right, click on get started, click on started, and then they will tell you what to do. Click on this link, then click forward the message they sent to you back to that group. All right, click on forward the message back to that group. When you forward the message back, you are going to, congratulations, you've done this, you are going to earn your money. All right, so this is basically what you do here to keep earning your TRS. So when you are done with join boost, you're going to click on more, and then it's going to bring out other things you're going to do, like view posts, Twitter tags, sales airdrop, and all that. So do start doing those ones too. I can link your Twitter also to the link your Twitter also to the Telegram link, so that you can also do Twitter tags also. So every instruction you need is there. So at the end of everything, you can still withdraw your money. I'm going to also show you how you can withdraw your money from this site. You withdraw your money with Bybit or with Binance. Okay, so when you are done, let's click on balance now to see our money. Okay, there's a balance here. You can see the balance. When you click on balance, it's going to bring out your earnings so far, and you can withdraw your money to either Bybit, Binance, Coiners, any of the crypto exchange that you are using. You can withdraw your money there. All right, so I'm still doing those tax. So just follow the instruction and do your tax. Okay, at the end of, wait till the end of this video, I'm going to show you how you can withdraw your money. All right, so we are still doing join the channel. So we are joining different channels, and when you are finished joining the channel, come back and click on joined. Click on joined, and you are going to earn. All right, so this is basically what you do here. It's very simple, no hassle at all. It's very simple. Okay, so when you are done, click on balance, then it's going to show you your balance. Then when you see your balance, click on open wallet, so that you can, from there you can get your wallet. Click on open wallet, then click on open. Click on open. It's going to open. All right, let's wait for it to open. So it's going to open. So here is it. This is what I have here. Okay, by the time I'm making this, I have more than this now, but this is what I have here by the time I was making this video. So you can click on withdraw. When you click on withdraw, go to your Binance or your Bybit or anyone you are using. Go there and copy your TRS address. Remember your TRS address. When you copy it, you come here and paste it and click on confirm withdrawal, and your money will be sent to your Binance or your Bybit. From there you can do an exchange. All right, so this is basically how this works, and it's very join now that it's working, and start making your money. So if you find value on this video, make sure you subscribe, turn on the bell notification, like and comment, share the videos to your friends also to join you. All right, thank you so much for staying to the end of this